I'm gonna settle the debate of where to get the best fish sandwich. Now, I done took a bite out of that. This fish was sticking. See how this fish is sticking out right here? It was sticking out about like that up there. And I done bit it all off. That fish sandwich right there come from Captain D's. Got cheese on it. Fried. Ain't no better fish sandwich anywhere, Captain D's. You just can't beat their fish sandwich. You looking for a fish sandwich? Captain D's is the place to go.
To tell good times
There it
tongue and
is. Supper on the fly. Corned beef hash, eggs, taters. Baby doll just wanted corned beef on toast. That's what she got, corned beef hash on toast. Tea. And I got potatoes, corned beef, ketchup, horse sauce, and eggs. That's what I got for supper. We're fixing to eat.
Here we are. We're fixing to go in for 10 days in here to Bear Lake. And this is Santa Rosa County, isn't it?
Yeah.
Santa Rosa County.
Florida.
Florida. Actually, it's not too far from where we live. We live in Okaloosa County.
And we right over here, big city of Muncie.
Bear Lake, there's your sign. Here we go.
Welcome. Hope my truck's all right.
I do too. We left our truck in here yesterday because we were going on another little episode place.
We went boondocking.
We went boondocking.
Lot docking.
That's what we done.
Lot docking.
Lot docking. And we didn't want to take the truck. We couldn't get in here. We tried to get in here. Maybe they had a vacancy a day ahead, but they didn't. So
we went lot docking for the night.
Yep.
Come on back here today.
We're hoping they're out of the spot today. They're supposed to be out at 1. We actually not supposed to check in till 3, but
It's
we're hoping.
1:33.
Yeah, we're hoping we can check in. I don't think they'll give us too much, but
If it's open, I'm gonna pull into it.
yeah, he said if it was open, he's pulling into it. They'll have to come run us out, won't they?
They'll have to come on now.
Beautiful place going in here. This is actually the first time that we've stayed at Bear Lake. I was the problem.
Yeah.
I never had, you didn't have TV reception, you didn't have internet, and I didn't have anything to do. He could go fishing. But since then, hopefully, it did the other day, we came to check it out. Our device works here with AT&T. We have a Netgear Nighthawk. And we were getting reception really, really good. So, we're hoping we can do the same.
It don't say one way, does it?
No. This is the way you're pulling in, though, isn't it?
I think my slot's open, ain't it?
I don't know. 19?
19 right under seam.
They should be out of it.
Seems like it's late. They need to trim these trees.
Yeah, for us motorhomes coming in here. Ooh. There's still quite a few people here.
Cloud's right behind us.
Is he?
I think so.
Oh, that looks like him. Right here it is, isn't it?
Yeah, this is it.
Okay, this is ours. We'll get back with you.
Crying and you laughing.
Okay, he's going to try that, throwing that up again. I couldn't help but laugh at him a while ago. This is his 3rd time throwing.
3rd? About the 5th.
Oh, it's his 5th time. He's trying to get around that limb. Oh, he almost got it. Now he's got to get something to pull it down. I bet he got the broom. See it up there?
Now laugh at me.
Yeah, he said now laugh. Now watch what he does. What that is our bucket light.
Yeah, I screwed it up.
You gotta do it all over?
Yeah, I got it through the bail and it won't hang right. This is called how not to hang a bucket light.
Show them what that is inside that bucket.
It's a light.
Wait, let me get it close. See that?
It's a light.
That's a light. It's a homemade rig. Okay, he's going to try to throw this rope over.
For the 15th time.
For the 15th time. Try to get it on that limb. Well, he's got it, if you can see it. See? I was laughing at him a while ago because he tried it many, many times. He didn't know I was looking at him to start with. He puts that up for our light. And that way...
Portable street light.
Yeah, portable street light's what he calls it. And the good part about it is the bugs that go to that, a lot of times they'll already be that. So when we go out the door, they're not trying to come in.
Plug it in and flip the breaker.
Yep, plug it in. Plug it in. Is it on or is it blowed?
Oh, it ain't on.
He said it wasn't on.
Hold on.
Is it the bulb?
We got a bulb anyway.
Not that I know of.
It's the bulb now because I just broke it.
No good now. He's broke it. We'll have to look for one. So let us look for one. We'll get back.
Well, I made this journey with you.
If you like my Papa's channel, Road Maps and Chaos, make sure to like and smash that subscribe button.
We pray we'll see you in the rapture.